Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects and persons from images and your portraits easily with an online tool for free. First we will go to remover.zmo.ai. Here you can see the screen. I've already downloaded some images. I'm going to select one of the image and drag it to the site and drop here. Here your picture is loaded. Let's just say I want to remove this lady from this image. I will simply click my mouse, left click and drag. And it will take some time, and here you can see the lady has been removed from the portrait. You can see also before and after by clicking the eye icon. Here's an undo button and here's the hotkeys button. You can see all the hotkeys like undo inpainting, pan, view original image, reset zoom pan, and etc. You can also increase and decrease the brush stroke. I also want to remove this person. I'm going to zoom. I'm going to drag, select and drag. It will take some time. And here you have the results. The person is removed very accurately. Also want to remove him. And you can see before and after results. It's very smooth tool and online, and it's all free. I also want to remove this one, and here you can remove any object and person online in just seconds. And here before and after, and you can simply download the image by just clicking the save image button, and here your image has been downloaded, and you can see the objects or persons have been removed from the image. Let's do another one like this one, this one. I'm going to drag and drop it on remover.zmo.ai. Here we have, let's just say I want to remove this lady from the image. Simply the same process, select and drag. It will take some time and you will have your results. Here you can see how smoothly removed a person from an image, and let's remove her also from the image. Simply select and drag. And here she has also been removed, and you can see before and after how smoothly removed a person from the image. Simply download it and open it and use it anywhere you want. Let's just close this one and give another try to another picture. Simply drag and drop. Just let's say I want to remove the text in the house, like love grows best in little houses. I want to remove this. Simply select and drag on it. And here you can see it's been removed. I also want to remove the rooftop from this, and here it's also been removed. Let's just say I want to remove any other thing, like I'm going to remove sand, salt and happy. Simply select and drag. Here now after some multiple attempts, increasing or decreasing the brushstroke according to need and circumstances. also want to remove this text shadow. And here you can see all is removed very perfectly, very accurately, and so smooth in just seconds. So you can save a bunch of your time by this tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like